it's Adrienne with Mom Life with Adrienne. I am doing my first ever clean with me and decorate for Halloween and fall. This year's a little different. Normally in September, I decorate for fall. October, we do Halloween. November, we go back to fall. And then after Thanksgiving, we do Christmas. We host Thanksgiving, so we don't put up our tree or anything early. Where are we getting the funky bright lights from? But I just straightened up the living room some. I am going to clean that up. Got all of my decorations for fall and Halloween for inside. The outside we will not decorate until after my daughter's birthday is the first weekend in October. So we will decorate outside after her birthday. But we have everything put out. Going to clean off the tables, light a candle. We went to, where did we go? Kirtland's the other day. I am in love with their new pumpkin pie scent. We're gonna like that for the first time. They also had their pumpkin coconut, which is always a favorite. And this I grabbed from Marshall's. And it's just something I can reuse year after year. I also am loving the Witch's Brew from Alani. If you have not tried it and you like apple, caramel apple, give it a try. It is really good. But let's go clean. I'm going to wipe down all of our tables, the end tables, coffee table, the mantle, anywhere that I put decorations with my Tough and Tender, which is from my wellness box. It just smells so clean and refreshing, but it's less toxic chemicals, so I'm not worried about inhaling it or my kids inhaling it. I also put on just some ambiance music on YouTube. I did Disney ambiance fall. That's just my go-to right now. And I did just grab all of the pillowcases off of our throw pillows. I made the pillowcase covers last year. Washing the covers, I'm gonna put those back on. Where do I even begin? I did not buy anything new so far this year. Okay, that's a lie. We bought one little pumpkin from the Target dollar spot. But beyond that, this is the last thing I bought at Kohl's on clearance last year. I haven't even taken the tag off, but it is so cute with Mickey heads and a pumpkin, my favorite. But we are going to just dive in and start going through and see what goes in the living room and see what we're putting up, what we're not putting up. I feel like I always have stuff that I say I'm gonna, oh, I'll do it next year, I'll do it next year, and I never put it up. So maybe this year we will kind of purge some of what we don't want to put up. And I know a few things. This goes outside actually, I don't know why it's in the pile for inside, but this needs glued back on. We made that last year. And this one is quite a few years old and my pumpkin's fallen off, so we have to glue that one back on as well. We have not done these in a few years, our window clings. So we have some fall ones that I'm going to save for after Halloween, and then when the kids get home, we got 4 things of window clings. I grew up doing window clings. They've always been a favorite. Love, fun, doing whatever, memories of it. And my mom used to use them year after year. I bought these last year after Halloween. But they never last anymore. They're like a one-time use, which is a little disappointing. Good thing they're only like $1. So, but that will be the kids' job on that one. And I did grab, we had a couple Halloween books upstairs. My kids love seasonal books. We read every night, numerous times a day, whatever it is. But we have the How to Catch a Monster and Charlie Brown Happy Halloween. That was upstairs. I gotta find the rest of their Halloween books. Last year I did a whole video on their favorite Halloween books. So I will be sure to link that down below and you can check it out. I'm currently sorting and putting stuff here. It goes in the living room. Here I don't know where it goes. Stuff goes in the foyer, the dining room. But I wanted to make a note. I have kids. My youngest is 5. So we have a lot of safe decorations, I want to say. So like, there's a bunch of pumpkins. or McDonald's lunch Happy Meal buckets from last year that they play with. And those are just some of the random decorations that we put out. And they know which ones they're allowed to play with and which ones they're not. But we're gonna go back into separating. This is one of my kids' favorite Halloween decorations. My daughter got it, my oldest daughter got it a couple years ago, but my younger one steals it. It's a little loud, it's a little annoying, but it's always a good laugh and some head banging fun. Now let's clean up the foyer. I put away all of the decorations. I actually cleaned out both sides minus the bottom. Those are the kids' toys. But actually, I changed my mind. They play with these, what are they called? Why am I having such a brain fart? Parachute guys, and they throw them off the balcony. And this is the hide and seek little mouse. It's the funnest game ever, but I don't know where the mouse is. Those are gonna go somewhere else because what I'm going to do, we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna do, because you can only ever have one side open. I love this though, just the aesthetic that it gives in the foyer. I'm gonna give it something in here, not just a whole pile of shoes. Do one side fall and one side Halloween, because I will be taking all of Halloween down and just putting up fall later. Depends on my mood. But let's clean again using my Tough and Tender from my wellness box. Do you decorate for Halloween or fall? Or both? Let me know in the comments. So we're gonna do Halloween on one side and then fall on the other side. Cutest little turkey. I don't remember where I got him. I got him last year somewhere, but he is so adorable. But this is our foyer for now. It may get changed up. It'll get changed up after Halloween with, we may add a little bit more spooky, but we'll see how it goes. Let's go on to the next room. Okay, we are moving on to our formal dining room, which is also our playroom, which is also has our liquor cabinet, our fish tank, toys, and everything in between. But it is already 77 in this house. It is going to be a hot one today. Avoiding trying to put the air conditioning on, I'm going to mix up some raspberry lemonade electrolytes that are from my wellness box that are so delicious. Keep myself hydrated while doing all of this. If I could put the lid on, maybe. While doing all my cleaning and decorating for the holiday. Okay. Now we are going to wipe down the spaces in here. Normally I do decorate the table. I'm gonna hold off till after my daughter's birthday, and my formal table has been taken over by Legos, so I will take it. It means they are being productive and using their mind and building things. So let's clean again with Tough and Tender from the wellness box and get to decorating. I'm a little disappointed. I have an orange one of these table runners that I leave on our buffet, and I can't find it. I thought maybe it wasn't in Halloween, so maybe it was in fall, and it's in neither, so it may mean that it's in the Christmas stuff, which is, I also think I'm missing a truck that I think is in the Christmas stuff too. But we'll find it at Christmas time. I have way too much Christmas stuff to dig out. But with that, let's fill these. I used to have 3 of them, and then we broke one. So there's only 2 now. And we use real acorns. We used to have a acorn tree in the backyard that we would have thousands of acorns. You just have to, if you are using real acorns and not ones that you bought at the craft store, they have to be cooked. I don't remember, you'll have to Google it. I don't remember how long you cook them for, but that way you do not get bugs. They don't start breaking apart or anything related to that. This was a fun just activity that the kids and I did at one time. Let's decorate this lamp. It is in the play area. All the little people are right next to me. So I know this area, whatever I put here, the kids are gonna play with. So I will make sure there's nothing last, and I won't care exactly where they are because they're gonna be rearranged. I think that is pretty much everything, minus I got some skeleton little dudes. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but they're really cute. My bats that you just stick up. I got a whole bunch of those that I do some outside. I'll probably do some around the house. I don't know exactly where yet. Found my antenna topper. Yes, that shows the age of my vehicle. But I love my minivan, and I love that it has an antenna topper. So I can put my Mickey pumpkin up there. So gotta glue my wreath and the, what is it? The skeleton with the spider. And then I have all of our stuff that goes on the doors. But I have a bunch of fall. And then I have Halloween ones. I have witches. I have a skeleton that has a microphone. But normally the kids, I let pick out what they want to put on their bedroom door and what we put out throughout the house. And then I have floor mats to do. And I think that's it. So once I am finished, I will do a full-on house tour of our Halloween decorations.